Okay, CarPlay linked wirelessly, all appears to be working fine. Scrolling, all the buttons appear to work and they're in the right place. However, if I go back to Ford Sync and go return and go back to Ford, you'll quickly see if I click on navigation, I'm getting audio. If I click on home, I'm getting the clock. If I click on the clock at the top, I get home. If I click on phone, I get climate, and if I click on climate, I get phone. If I click on settings, that doesn't work. If I click on settings there,